Hello everyone! Today we'll be making these beautiful, cute granny square bags. There are small squares attached to make this beautiful bag, and it's really easy to make and very cute to use. You can use it for your school, you can use it for anywhere you want. The only thing we need is the squares. We need these squares for about 3 pieces from this color, and it has 4 rows only. Small and very cute to carry. We need a total of 13 colors, 3 pieces from each color and 4 pieces from one color. So total complete 13 we require to make this, and then attach them together. That's it. You'll get a beautiful crochet bag. So let's attach them side by side. Any color you want. I will be using the cream color I have. And here is what I have finished attaching. And if you can see and count them, from each piece I have 3, and from one of them I have 4 pieces. And when I turned shortage from one color, I extra added one more of my purple, but it's not required. If you can make this in 2 colors as well. If you can see, I have the attachment in cream color, sorry. And I have finished attaching. The final part is we have to close the ends. And closing the ends is also not hard. It's really simple to do. What you have to do is just put this short part into the opposite side and seam this. And seam this part inside the next one. Like that. Yes. And from this one again on the other side the same way. In this way this item is going to get closed up, and you can see it's not big. It's like a 30 centimeter crochet bag, and it's really cute. It's not so hard to do this. It's really simple, and I have not cut the last yarn because I want to attach the rest of the parts. So let me show you. Here I have created my very beautiful crochet bag, and just focus it. If you can see close, I have crochet 13 pieces of this one, and I have attached it with one color all over, and I have highlighted this part. I have attached the handle in it, and it looks beautiful. Really, it's really beautiful. It's like that. I have kept some another crochet items inside it, and it looks very beautiful. The attachment and the size is actually very small. It's like this much and this much. It's handy. It's very beautiful and easy.